Why is this different than this?
Manufacturer's recommended care for composite sinks of all makes and models, including Kraus USA, Blanco, Franke, you name it. A soft sponge, dish soap, thorough rinse, and wipe it dry.
You can use dish soap, right, and a soft sponge, or a soft cloth. Agitate the surface, give it a thorough rinse, and wipe it dry. It's the wiping it dry part and the thorough rinse part that people have some problems, right? And that's why you have to have problem solvers just like this. Here's why you want to wipe it dry. Because if you don't, the water that's left behind evaporates, the solids that are in the water stick to the surface. To use texture, or you have to use a solution just like this. Texture too many times, now your dark sink starts to look chalky or hazy when it's dry. But get it wet and it looks good, oh, we have a solution for you. You see that right there? Before and after, right? Before, after. Yeah. Supreme Surface, restore, revive, and refresh. Your sink looks good oiled, right? This is a long-term solution right here that you can reapply at any time to a clean sink. You can clean it with this right here. Spray it on, spread it with a sponge, wipe off any excess, let it dry, do it again. Do it as many times as it takes to go from chalky, hazy to dark, vibrant all over again. But to prevent all of that from happening, learn more about ioSeal, ioSeal, ioSeal technology. Right? ioSeal protects your countertops, your sinks. If you're not going to wipe your sink out or wipe your countertop off and that water evaporates, don't sweat it, right? Don't fret about it. Yes, a soft sponge, dish soap, ordinarily wouldn't take off water spots. But if ioSeal's on there first, right, it does. In between those types of treatments, use a soft sponge and dish soap. Agitate, rinse it out, and wipe it dry. And if you don't wipe it dry, that's why you want Supreme Surface all-in-one stone care. It's here to protect you with ioSeal technology. My name's Tom. I'm with Supreme Surface. You can learn all about us at supremesurface.com. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's say you have white quartz countertops. Prevention is the key. Are you going to wipe your surface off every use? I don't know, but you should. That is what's recommended for your countertops and your sinks. But if you don't, we can tell you how to remove existing water spots off of quartz countertops. Check out the link below.